Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video about putting these people around a circle. I inadvertently kind of messed up when I made that video, and I did not have the bitmap converted to black and white. And then when I did trace it, it showed up some gray parts that I had to go through and get rid of. So a viewer or subscriber kind of reminded me of just the way he said scan, I'm going to say trace. So now I don't have anything but white. I don't have those gray specks that we had last night. And what we can also do, and I've already done it and it works so quick, is to get rid of all the white would be, I'm just going to delete this one so it won't interfere. And I'm going to break this one apart, group and ungroup. And I'm going to select that part. And then I'm going to go to our friend and under edit, find and replace. You don't really have to do this, but I'm going to edit query. And I'm going to go from in here in a second. And I'm going to, well, I don't have to go from selection. I could have, let me back up here. Probably the easiest would go to selection, pick that black and go selected. So you're now, the program knows you're looking for black. Find all, no objects found. So sometimes that doesn't work. So we're just going to select them all and edit query. Double click on your fountain fill, double click on the text part. Let's move this out of the way. Get our color tool, get our eyedropper, and click on that black. Then say okay, and then find all. And what it did, it found all the black. I'm going to Control G to group it together. And then I could just move that out of the way. And what it did, it left the white there, and the black is the only thing left. So you got rid of all that trash without going through and deleting it. And this was a pretty cool video if you want to watch it if you didn't watch part 1. And I would still, you still need to fix the people a little bit. So to fix them, we need to ungroup them and then round off this, because sometimes you'll see that, sometimes you'll see this on a clip art. It was the way it was put into the picture. You get that sharp edge. And the same thing on this gentleman's head because he's the tallest one in the picture. Now this particular one would be better to go to the shape tool and maybe just delete those top 2 shapes. Maybe even delete some more shapes to get his rounded head, because you'll see sometimes on edges, like this man's hand, it was the most left thing on the picture, so it was out of the picture kind of. Same thing, these 2 feet or these 3 feet are the lowest part of the picture. So you can get rid of well, that particular case didn't work, but like on this lady, you could get rid of one of them, get rid of 2 of them, get rid of both of them at once. This lady's foot must have been at the same length as the other one, but you see, and here the last toe, it was because it was at the bottom of the picture. I don't really understand what the process is, but when they put it into a bitmap form, there was a square around there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit more, and thank you for watching.